HK Media yeze Hadija Kigozo njako lero tuzeko ku Ekyambogo University okubeera ntubuzako okuba nabo mu Ekyambogo poza ate gye tusangidde omuti guno omukulu mu Buganda nga gwagudde wansi ekiro ekikeesezza Mande. Bagamba nti omuti guno gwa byafaayo nnyo guyina ensonga nnene nnyo mu Buganda mpoza ate bagamba nti Kabaka Muteesa mwe yatuula nga awandiikira ba missionaries ebbaluwa ejja okubeera nga bakolonizinga Uganda. Abamu bagamba nti olubiri lwali wano nga terunaba kubeera nga lushiftingibwa Mengo, so mu kiro ekyakeesezza Mande omuti gwavuddeyo ne gugwa wansi olw'enkuba ennyingi eyayitiridde. Okusinziira nga bwendaba omuti guno guludde ndooza nga guliibwa enkuyege ate ekyaguleetedde okubeera nti tegukyasobola kuba nga gwewalirira newankubadde buli mwana waneeno history amumanyi bubwe era tugenda kuba tubayitamu ate tusobole okubeera nga tumanya biki bye baasoma ku ssomero, biki bye bamanyi ku muti guno eno. So singa wabeerawo information yonna omwana gy'abeera aleese ku mutimbagano nga si ntuufu nga eno information entuufu gyenkuwadde kubanga buli muntu ali muneeno omuti guno eno agumanyiko bubwe. Mpozi gye bukeredde olunaku olwaleero Buganda Kingdom Katikiro ku page yabwe eya Facebook Buganda Kingdom Katikiro asabye ssettendekero wa Ekyambogo okusimba omuti omujja gudde mu kifo ky'omuvule ogwagudde. Okusaba kuno Katikiro akuyisizza mu kiwandiiko kyawandiise ekiraga ebyafaayo by'omuti guno n'amakulu g'ekifo bwe gwasimbibwa. Agamba nti omuti guno mukulu nnyo kubanga okutondebwawo kw'ensi Uganda kwatandikira ku bbaluwa ya Muteesa nga bwe mbagambye. Abaminsaane bagobererwa abafuzi b'amatwale era endagaano y'obukuumi eya 1894 Abangereza gye baakola ne Kabaka Mwanga mutabani wa Muteesa I gwe musingi okwazimbibwa Uganda gye tulaba kati. Annyonnyodde nti olw'ebbaluwa ya Muteesa I abasomesa abaasooka okujja be baminsane oba boyita ba missionaries aba Church Missionary Society Alexandra Maki Abapolostante mu 1877 ate ba White Fathers okuli ne Bro Amans abakatoliki bamba bwenti bwensoma Oluganda abakatoliki mu 1879 ebbaluwa Kabaka Muteesa yagiwandikira wansi w'omuti ogwo ogwagudde. Wano wasabidde abaddukanya ssettendekero wa Ekyambogo University basimbe omuti omujja ate ekifo kirambibwe era ebyafaayo byakyo birambikibwe bulungi. Kati buno bwe bubaka Katikiro wa Buganda bwawandiise nga wandikira ssettendekero wa Ekyambogo University olunaku olwaleero ku muti guno ogwagudde ogw'ebyafaayo. Era katuyitemu mu ba students aba Ekyambogo University buli muntu alina ndowooza yiye ku muti guno. Abamu bagamba gubaddeko ebibala muti muwafu naye ng'ekituufu kiri nti muti gwa muvule era gubadde guprovidinga ka shade abantu babadde bagunyumirwa nnyo. Waliwo n'obutebe nga bw'obulaba awo batuulawo ne babeera nga basomerawo ebitabo nga benjoyingirawo. Neyanza nnyo bakwano munzikirize mbatwalemu mu programu yange ey'olwaleero. Tuli Ekyambogo olunaku olwaleero bano be bamu ku ba university students abaludde mu Ekyambogo muno nga basoma. Twawulidde nti omuti guno eno nga bwe ngukunnyonnyodde gwagudde wansi ate nga guliko ebyafaayo mu Buganda. Ogamba otya bro?
Gye ndi bulungi nnyabo.
Essomero ligamba ki?
Essomero sibbi essomero ddungi.
Mu Kikuba.
Kikuba.
Kiki omanyi ku muti guno gwagudde ddi?
Guno muti gwagwa yali Mande gwagwa ku Mande era kyengumanyiko ekitono gwe we muti awasayiningibwa endagaano the 1900 Uganda agreement.
Gwagudde gutya? Enkuba yagukubye?
Enkuba yagukubye era then kati n'empewo kubanga nnyingi nnyo negumenya kwe kugwa wansi.
emiti gyonna egiri wano eno empewo yasuddeko guno gwokka.
Yasudde ogwo ebyafaayo gwennyini guli.
Ku lwaki emiti emirala empewo teyagifuuye?
Anti guno gwo gwabadde mukadde nga tegukyalina strong support eyo ya stems, so kwe kumenyeka ne gugwa.
Okay. Kale tweyanza gwegwani amanyi?
Nze Wambi Pasi, yes, a student at Ekyambogo
University.
Yes.
Say hi to your friends.
Hi everyone there, my family, it's Wambi Pasi, a Ekyambogo University student, BPA.
Okay.
That's my course.
BPA.
Bachelors of Performing Arts.
Okay.
It's music, dance and drama.
Wow.
Yeah.
So kati, what do you do specifically? What do you do specifically in the field of music, dance and drama? You dance, you drum, you do everything?
In the field of music, we learn instruments.
Okay.
For example, pianos. We learn something to do with pianos. We also touch these traditional instruments. Yeah, and also we are trained some dances. Yeah, most especially our own local dances here in our country. Yeah.
Okay. How is Ekyambogo?
Ekyambogo is very nice and doing good.
Why in all universities were choosing Ekyambogo?
Ekyambogo. Okay, it's one of the best universities. Yeah, that one can choose and
I'm sorry to laugh.
Yeah, it's okay.
But I mean, mpulira bagamba nti n'abantu bagala nnyo Makerere okusinga Ekyambogo. What do you have to say about that?
Okay, that's maybe according to the choice. Yeah, you may find that there is what they want specifically about what Makerere, but Ekyambogo is good also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You sleep in, you sleep out?
No, I'm from out. I come from out to Ekyambogo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Kali, thank you so much. Abalungi abali ku HK Media yenze Hadija Kigozo nakolera tuli ku Ekyambogo University tugezaako okubeera nga tuyitaayitamuko ku bana ba university. Twakozesa opportunity eno oba omukisa guno omuti guno nga gugudde ne tugamba katukyalireko ku baana b'essomero tulabe obulamu butambula butya. Gwe wenna tulaba subscribinga, likinga, sharinga, nyiga akagamba aka red akali awo mu koona osobole okubeera nga updates zange tezikuyitako. Neyanza nnyo bakwano ngenda kubeera nnyongera okubatambuzaako. Wano we tuyimiridde no faculty yaki?
This one is for the one is performing arts and
wano wosomere?
No, performing arts the other side, but this one is education, part of education.
This is part of education?
Yeah, it's part of education. This building here.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. How is campus?
Campus is good. Yeah.
Oli ku mwaka gwakomeka?
Gwakusatu.
Wow. Unaatera okumala.
Naatera okumala.
Okikwasaganyizza otya paka kati?
Kwewaayo.
Soko obuze ku batulaba.
Abatulaba. Bambita Sessaze Edward. Ndi student ku Ekyambogo University njenyumirizaamu.
Okola course ki?
Procurement and logistics.
Procurement? Banaye ng'olina obwongo. Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
Procurement ya myaka esatu.
Ya myaka esatu.
Okay, lwaki mu universities zonna walondawo Ekyambogo?
Nalonda Ekyambogo kubanga nje nali njagala ate nga n'ekirala products za Ekyambogo waweeru nungi. Omuntu akolera asomedde Ekyambogo n'olaba nga byakola bitambula.
Olinako obalabye nga bibakola bitambula? Okay. Wamala okusomozaako ki?
Bwe tumala okusoma tetwasomya kunoonya mirimu wabula kutandikawo mirimu. Tujja kutandika emirimu.
Aba procurement pozi bakola biki?
Procurement is all about purchasing. Purchasing. Business. It's a management course. Busubuzi, all that. It's a management course. Okujimenyaamenyamu.
Mukola ki?
Kale procurement eri nga bw'oyinza okugamba eri both in government and private. Kati bw'obanga purchasing office mu private ye office evunaanyizibwa ku bigula byonna. Either an organization which is private or government.
Okay. All right. Twalabye omuti guno nga gugudde ekite kyakeseza mande. Wabaddemu oli mu university?
Nabaddemu.
Okay. Gwagudde gutya?
nasanze gugudde naye tegwagudde nga wendi. Naye nga muti, it's a memorial tree. Here is where the 1900 Buganda Agreement was signed. It has lived for over 150 years.
150 years?
Because it has taken 124 years since the agreement was signed. It was signed in 1900. So, this is the tree. We have been using it.
So, batula wansi w'omuti nga basayininga agreement?
Wano wenyini. Era nange kakatebe wentera okutuula n'ensomera era kyatukoze bubi nnyo kuba tetulina we tugenda kubanga tusomera walala. Gubadde gutuwa good shade. Gutukoze bubi nnyo.
Okusinziira ku byogerwa wolokoso wa social media nti ate omuti gwagudde ate twafiiriddwa ate kino na kino, golowooza ki ekyasudde omuti?
Kibuyaga. Enkuba ekiro yatonnya nnyo ate ng'ogulaba gubadde gukuze kati ne gubeera chicken ne gusobola ne gugwa.
Guno muti ki?
Mpafu. Bwemba nga seera mpafu. Muwafu.
Gubadde gukya producing empafu?
Ennyo ng'abaana balyako.
Okay. Kale, tweyanza nnyo mukwano.
Kale.
Say hi, greetings to your friends.
My dear friends here and outside Ekyambogo, I love you so much.
Okay. Kale, thank you so much. Omuti ogwaleero gwe tuzze okutunuulira naye tugenda tuyitako ne bana ba university tugezaako okubabuza obulamu butambula butya, ebintu bibatwala bitya. Sinaba kufunayo bakyala. Bro, togenda tubuzaako. Jangu tubuzeeko. Sinaba kufunayo ko ku bakyala naye nga nsuubira okubeera nga mbafuna shortly. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You're fine. Your name?
My name is Sam.
Sam.
Yes.
How is campus?
Campus is fine.
Which profession are you studying?
I do procurement and logistics management.
Hey, that's I see. So what do you know about this tree?
Okay, what about the tree? From the records, the tree has taken like 150 years. And it was where the agreement was signed, the 1900 Buganda Agreement, was signed under this country. Yeah. But it fell the Monday, heavy rains that morning.
Okay.
Yeah, it fell.
You sound very calm, Sam. What's the secret behind?
That's just my nature.
Life at campus is different.
No, that's
Yeah?
just
But
just
you're
me.
so calm.
that's,
I mean,
that's just
I
me.
don't understand.
That's just me. That's just me.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I have.
Okay. Say hi to her.
No.
No. You won't say hi.
I won't say hi from here.
Why?
I won't say hi from here.
You don't trust yourself.
Not really.
You have many?
No.
Just one.
I have one.
Just say hello.
But you don't know her.
It's okay. She will see you.
She will not see me.
She will see you.
How sure?
I know.
Okay, how will she see me?
She will see you.
Really?
Mm.
Okay. I know she will see me.
Mm.
She knows I love her. Yes.
Life at campus hits differently. Do you stay within the campus premises?
No,
University premises?
not really. I stay outside campus, but
Outside
not very far.
Not very far
Yeah.
from campus. Where do you come from?
I come from Tess.
From Tessa.
Yes. Yes.
Right. Anange HK Media ku ntikko tuli Kyambogo University olunaku lwaleero ngenda kuba nyongera okwetoloola munoonye ku baana bawala kuba bo balayika bambuzeeko. Tukyali Kyambogo, omuti bwe gwagudde tuyitamu mu bannyinaffe ne bannyinaffe ne baani abannyinaze n'abaki abaganda baffe abalenzi n'abawala. Nsanyuse okulaba. Oli otya?
Ni bulungi oli otya?
Kiki omanyi ku muti guno?
This tree, it is known as a historical tree in Kyambogo.
Okay.
Just because, as you can see, it had grown because of age. When the colonialists had just come, Kabaka's palace was around here in this campus. So they signed their 1900 Buganda Agreement from this tree. That's why it is called a historical tree.
Under that tree.
Yeah, or the 1900 Buganda Agreement tree. As you know, in the culture of Africans, after making some big step, we plant a tree for remembrance. So this is the tree which was planted after the signing of that 1900 Buganda Agreement.
Wow, this was the best student in history, I guess. SST history.
Both of them,
Both
because
of
I
them.
did this SST in the primary level
And
and history at my A level
wow.
and O level.
Wali attentive oyinza okugamba yemu abasimba omuti abimanyi bulungi.
No, of course, as we are taught, we are also taught things in Europe,
Yeah.
and how Napoleon conquered the whole world for 18 hours. But
Which course are you doing?
I'm doing economics, Bachelor of Arts in Economics.
Wow, it's amazing.
So we just go with books of history and consult. That's how we
And
came to
then
know
you-
about the song.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did that tree fail?
The tree fell on. It was
When did
Monday
it
night.
fall? Monday night?
Yeah, due to that rain which was there, and that
Did
wind.
anyone happen to see this tree falling down?
It was at night. I don't think anyone saw it because it
You
was.
just woke up in the morning,
And we found that tree down.
So what are the people talking about it? What are they going to do with it? They are
Uh,
going to get firewood and take it to the palace? What are they going to do? Do you have
Um,
any idea?
No, I'm not yet. I don't have any idea about what is next after the falling of that tree. But my opinion, I think they would plant another tree just to keep the memorable issue and the thing for the 1900 Buganda Agreement tree. Whether they should keep the same tree or plant another tree, but I think they should keep in with the same tree.
They should keep the same tree. How?
They plant another tree which is similar to that one
Okay.
for remembrance.
Did it have fruits by
No.
the time it fell?
No, I don't think this tree is fruitful. Does not produce fruits, I think.
It is called
think it-
omwafu.
I don't know its name. I will not deceive.
But I don't know what omwafu is in English. Omwafu chechigo. Gwe toyina ky'omanyi. Okay, so how is life at campus?
Life, we are enjoying campus because campus treats you how you come in, according to how you come in.
Okay.
Once you come when you are well prepared, you enjoy campus. But once you come when you are not prepared, it treats you the other way around. It depends on how you enter.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have seen all the universities announce their guild presidency elections. How about Ekyambogo?
We just had elections last semester,
Last semester.
so we are waiting for
You
next.
did not hype it?
Of course, we had type, but then due to, I would say, since it was the only university, it cannot sound like all universities are going to elect at the same time. Yeah.
All right. Okay, send greetings to your friends and family.
Yeah, first and foremost, I will thank my parents for pushing me up to campus.
That's great.
And I send them greetings deep down in Bushenyi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
So all the way from Bushenyi to Ekyambogo.
yeah.
Why in all universities Ekyambogo?
I have Ekyambogo because of quality education.
What do you mean? Other universities don't have
I'm not saying that they don't have quality, but you see, when Ekyambogo was starting, it was mainly for education. And the training of teachers is different from when you are training other people.
So you're
I'm
doing
not,
education?
though I'm not a teacher, but then they have copied up that training system for teachers or other courses. So that's why I'm saying it has quality.
In which year are you?
I'm in my third year, I'm in my last semester.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
That's very great. All right, so you were still sending some greetings to your family.
I sent greetings to my dad and my mom in Bushenyi, my sisters here in Kampala, my friends and all Byewunyo students, whether year one or those who did it at any level, whether from here or from any other university, all of the same way.
You don't have any retake throughout your years?
No, I do not have.
You're so lucky. Dead years?
No,
Wow.
I'm just praying to God is my stakeholder in everything.
How is your performance? Mediocre? First class?
You cannot
You
be
are the
that.
last in class?
If I were the last in class, I would be having some retakes. But in any case, at university, we aren't given positions.
Okay.
So you can't know where I belong. But
No,
at least
but
I will not
least
say
you can rate yourself.
I will not say I am badly. I am not badly off. I'm not the best.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So after university, Ozakoji,
Of
you're
course,
going back to Bushenyi?
I would not go back to Bushenyi because they say Abanyankole say the charo chive chabafu.
Ekyalo kibe
That's
ky'abafu?
why everyone is buried in the village. You have
What?
not seen people bury them in towns.
That is how you say.
Yes.
Wow.
As one of the people, someone said in Africa, when someone gets money, they go to England for for their holiday stays. Their children study in America, but when they die, they bury them in Africa. So he said Africa is a graveyard for the poor. So now we say villages also meant
This
for
young man
burials.
is a philosopher.
So that's why, but we shall stay in Kampala and hustle
And
to
hustle.
make our families proud of us.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes, I have.
Say hello.
I'm sending my greetings to her. She's in Makerere.
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Yeah.
That girl should be so proud, eh?
I-
All the guys I've met today, they don't want to send greetings to their girlfriends. Which means they have a lot of them.
Maybe having many, but then at
You
times you have
just one.
to get one. So
So in which year is she?
she's also in third year, her last semester.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys are going to get married
Probably.
after school. I
Uganda-
wish you all the best.
Uganda hustle together.
And go hustle together.
Yeah, because someone who accepts you when you are still broke. I will not say I'm very broke, but at least I'm not working. So when you are still a student,
That's a very huge
you never know.
point. I wish you all the best.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Okay, abakyala bambuze olunaku lwaleero basile queens ab'omu Kyambogo sisobodde kubafuna ndabika ngenda kuba mbasibula abatono benfunyeeko boolyawo kale bwe naafunayokko 2 3 nyinza okubakola ki okwogeramuko nabo naye for now munzikirize nsooke neetooloolemuko nja kubaddira.